Today I'm going to be talking about the Cricut Maker 3. I'm super excited about this one. Hey guys, so Cricut, I'm not exactly sure how to say it. They sent me their new maker. This is the brand new one. It's just launched the last couple of days, maybe even today. And it is brand spanking new. I'm really excited about this. They've sent this to me and they've sent me a couple of other little things to play with. And I'm really stoked about this. So what I thought I would do for my first video, so I haven't tried it yet. I want to get going on it. So I'm just going to talk about what it is, what it does, how it looks. And then on our next video, we'll chat about some of the stuff that I've done over a week. So I'm going to do some cutting and see how it goes and do some things and see what happens. I'm really excited about this one, guys. So anyway, I approached Cricut and they sent me their new maker through Rectron. So thank you, Cricut, and thank you, Rectron in Durban. Really, guys, I'm so excited. I can't tell you. So this thing arrived yesterday. I was at work, so I had to wait until I got home. I could not wait to get home to come and see this. And it comes in a really great box. Let me grab this. So it comes in this huge box, weighs a ton. It is really well designed and well built. And I decided to take everything out because there's not much to the unboxing. You just get one or two items in here. These were additional items they sent me. And I unboxed this here and I pulled it out and I am absolutely blown away by the quality of the build. So I just got to show you this straight away. Watch this, guys. Watch this. How cool is this? You just open it up and then ta-da! Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful the way this thing opens up. Your tools go inside here and it is very sturdy. This top plate is completely metal while the outside is metal, and it feels strong, it feels sturdy. This closes up and it all closes up beautifully again. It's got magnets over here. Everything just feels well made, well designed, and beautiful. So yeah, I just love doing that. That is absolutely gorgeous. You'll see that on the side here, there's some storage space for your tools, so you can keep your storage space there. There's an additional storage space down here to keep additional tools and mats and your scrapers and all that kind of stuff. I'll get onto this stuff now. But firstly, what I want to show you is what came in the box. I'm going to move that to the side. What came in the box, actually not these either. They didn't come in that box. So I don't know quite how to word this, but I felt that I was expecting, when I saw that it has 13 tools on the list in the website, I thought it came with those 13 tools. But those tools were all sold separately. So yeah, that was a mistake on my part. It only comes with one tool. So how you take the tools out is also very clean. You undo this clip. This is all metal. This pops out and you've got the standard blade. This is the standard blade that comes with it. And you also get pens. So that's on that side. That clips in so beautifully. And on this side you can hold pens. So it is sort of a plotter as well. I don't know if you remember, a long time ago we used to have lovely plotters that you could buy at home. This is also a plotter, so you can cut something and then write on it with a pen. And I love this thing. I think it's absolutely amazing. So it has just been launched and it works with 300 plus materials. So there's such a wide range of materials that you can cut with this. And to me, the biggest one there was like, what is it can cut wood? Okay, not thick wood. We're talking about balsa, that thin modeling wood, up to 2.5 millimeters thick, which is impressive for a machine like this. Really, come on, guys, that's impressive. It can cut leather, cardboard, different stock thicknesses up to about 2.5 millimeters. You've got your balsa wood. You've got other types. There's two other types of wood it does as well, a veneer and that kind of wood as well. It does vinyl. So the vinyl is a big part of this. You've also got the iron materials, which it comes with a free piece over here. You've got foil. Foil is cool. You can use it to add embellishments and all that to a print. Okay, and also heat transfers. So for cups and for stuff like that, but also you've got your cups, your badges, all that kind of thing, and then the iron-on is for shirts, pillowcases, that kind of thing. Really amazing. You can even use this to etch glass. obviously not directly, but what you do is you print out your vinyl, you paste your vinyl on with the part that you want etched cut out, and you put on the glass etching paint. It's a kind of paint that you leave on for 15 minutes. It etches the glass, you peel off your vinyl, beautiful, clean, and away you go. You've got an etched piece of glass. So there's a lot of things you can do with this little machine. It also comes with 13 unique tools. So all the tools, including the pens and all that. There's a knife blade that cuts through thicker materials. That's the one that is the one for balsa wood. That cuts through thick materials like balsa wood, chipboard, and tooled leather. I don't know what the difference is between normal leather and tooled leather, but it cuts through tooled leather. Then you get a rotary blade that cuts through those fine materials like cotton and fleece and denim. So you stick it down onto a mat, and then you cut it through, then you peel it off. Then you get a fine point blade, which I think is the one that is in here already, the fine point blade, okay? That's for your normal cardstock, your vinyl, your paper, your iron-on materials, and your poster board and that kind of thing. You get your pens and markers, which go on the side here, as I've said before. And you get a foil transfer, which I really think is a cool idea. There's a little, it just transfers the foil on by pushing the material onto a card or whatever. So if you do a card that you print out and you want to add some beautiful embellishments, you can do that with the foil transfer. There's a wavy blade, which cuts sort of a wavy kind of design, even though it's going straight. And that's to add sort of embellishments to edgings of your cutouts and stuff like that. So it makes it just look a little bit more exciting rather than a straight edge. Then you get an engraving tip, which is really cool if you got wood or... So my project that I want to do really badly is print out a world map. Okay, I want to cut in balsa wood. And then, so in Africa where I am, we will then mark out South Africa at the bottom with the engraving tool afterwards. Do the bit of engrave out all the countries in Africa, your United States with your counties, and South America and all that, and get all that beautiful detail into your balsa wood. I'm really excited to do that project. So hopefully I can get started on that soon, and I can show you shortly what that looks like. But trust me, I will do a video about that because that's going to look amazing. There's a scoring wheel as well. Now the scoring wheel is, when you make a box, you want to be able to make the fold lines. This scores those fold lines, so you can do the scoring of that. There's a perforation wheel, which cuts all the holes in paper and card stock. That is for, when you want to have tear-offs or something like that. So really, nice little tool to add on. And then you get the deep point blade, which cuts your 1.5 millimeter poster boards. It's not quite as heavy duty as the knife blade, but it's a little bit more detailed than the knife blade, and it can cut heavy cardboard and poster board. And then you get your bonded fabric blade, which easily cuts bonded fabric and felt. So that's a very light material, but this easily cuts through it because it rolls over the material and slices through it. So as you can see, there's a lot of extra tools that you can get with this, and with 300 plus materials, it's quite phenomenal. What comes in the box? Okay, so you obviously get your Cricut. You get this little leaflet here, and now I'm going to admit I don't have the instruction manual because I took it over to the other side, but there's some important safety hints. There's an instruction manual, your warranty card that you fill in, and then some this is called Smart Vinyl. What's nice about Smart Vinyl is you don't need a backing board. So on some of the materials, the softer materials, you need a backing board that you put this onto. This doesn't need it. You just feed this straight into the machine. Just feed it straight in like that, and away it goes. We'll start cutting. So that comes in there, and then in this packet as well, inside the box, you get some more sample stuff. So let's open this up. All right. Okay, let's put that to one side. So you get a smart iron-on material. So this you cut and then you iron it onto clothing or pillowcases or something like that. This looks very, very interesting. So make your own t-shirts. Like this one here. I can make my own one, which I will definitely try. And you can also make pillowcases. My daughter, she's got very excited about this machine. She wants to make pillowcases and stuff like that. And then this is transfer tape. How transfer tape works is you use this after you cut a piece of vinyl out that has got a specific shape that is not connected to itself, so you need to put it out in a specific order, or pieces are disconnected. You use this, it's a low stick, it will hold that vinyl. You can then transfer it over to whatever you want to stick it onto. The vinyl has a heavy stick, so that will stick to your item, and then you just peel off this transfer tape. It just makes lining up things a lot easier. And this is a piece of smart vinyl, which I can cut as well. So this is smart vinyl, which you cut out, and again, no need for the backing board. So you get 2 sheets of this smart vinyl. And then this one is smart paper, sticker card. Let me try that again. Sticker cardstock. You try to say that fast. Okay, so awesome, very interesting. Can't wait to play with all of this stuff. So the features of this machine here, the new machine, the Maker 3, which is better than the old one, is it's 2 times faster than the previous version. It's compatible with smart materials, obviously, as I've said before. Again, smart materials don't need a backing board. It works with Windows, it works with Android, it works with iOS and Apple. I have just realized something. I've been trying to figure out what this little slot is here for. That is for your tablet or your phone. So you can pop your iPad or your phone on here, and then you can see what you're going to print. Now, the guys at Cricut and Rectron also kindly sent me a roll of their smart iron-on. This is red. Very excited to give this a try and see what we can do with this. They gave me a roll of smart vinyl. This is, how long is this? This is quite long, actually. It's 3.6 meters long, so it's a nice wide piece. That's another feature of this. It goes 33 centimeters wide. So the cut is 33 centimeters wide, and as long as you want. So you can go with a long piece and it just will wind it out the back, and it will continue cutting long pieces. So length is not a limitation. Your width is your limitation of 33 centimeters, which is 13 inches. I'm terrible at inches. I do apologize for that. They also sent me some accessories that we can use with this. So this is the applicator and removal set. Okay, so this is to put your materials onto the sticky back, your mat that you're going to use to print, and then tweezers to pull it off. You also get this, what is this? This is a scraper and spatula to obviously clean up edges. So the spatula tool precisely lifts images off Cricut cutting mats, and scraper is customly designed to easily scrape and clean Cricut cutting mats, so that's really nice. I've got another very large scraper. So this is the XL scraper. Apply material to large surfaces, clear large areas. So obviously you can use it to get out air bubbles and stuff like that. And then finally, what they call the weeding toolkit. So this is what you use to remove vinyl off the backing plate. Very easy. They've got tweezers, little picks, all sorts of little things just to make it easier for you to peel that off, rather than using your fingernails, which I don't have. So guys, here is a short snippet of it cutting something. I'm just going to cut on some flour and tea labels for our system in the kitchen there. I'll show a video of that quickly cutting that. Right, so this is the result. So this is how we had our flower before, written on there with permanent ink, which is now faded off. So now, you ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? There we go. How's that? How does that look? That looks awesome. I'm actually so stoked at how that came out. It transferred beautifully, cut stunningly easily, and used the weeding tools, weeded it out, and stuck it on the glass. Well, guys, that's it for this video. What do you think? Tell me what you think down in the comments below. I'm excited about this machine. And go check it out on Cricut.com. They've got all the listings there, all the information about the machine. A fabulous machine. Again, thank you to Cricut for supplying this unit to me. I just want to say that they did supply this free of charge, but this is my honest review. They've got no input into what I say here. So I can't tell you how excited I am about this machine. I can't wait to get cutting. I wanted to show you guys this machine before I started getting cutting, but that little video clip that you just saw was awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and also hit that join button. I know there's not much there yet, but I will be building that up shortly, and we are building this channel. Thanks guys. God bless. Stay well and stay safe.